Hello everyone! Today we're going to be doing a guided body scan. This is a somatic practice that is used to be able to connect to sensations in the body, but also kind of open up that pathway for communication between yourself and the body. It is a practice, so the first few times you might find a little bit more challenge, but the more that you practice it, the easier it'll get. So whenever you're ready, just finding a comfortable seated position. It could be laying down, it could be seated. Maybe softly closing the eyes. And then when you're ready, taking one slow, big, deep breath in. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Taking one more big, slow, deep breath. Noticing the support beneath you. Noticing which parts of the body are touching the ground. Noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice your jaw. Notice your shoulders, your chest, your hands, your belly, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet, with no need to change anything. Simply notice. Rather than trying to fix anything, let's spend a few moments just simply listening to the body. Is there anywhere you notice tension holding in the body? Is there anywhere that feels numb or disconnected in the body? How does your body feel as a whole today? And can you gently lean in towards these sensations with curiosity and compassion, allowing them to be simply felt, seen, and noticed without judgment? Inhale awareness, and exhale softness in the body. Continuing to lean in towards those sensations. And then using the exhale to release tension through your breath. Allow your body to soften with each breath. Taking 3 more big deep breaths here, leaning in. And exhale, let it go. Once more, inhale, leaning in. And exhale, let it go. And gently asking yourself, what need is my body asking to have met today? Maybe your body's asking for nourishment. slower breathing, comfort, support, movement, stillness. It could be warmth, rest, water, fresh air, or a connection. Connecting to whatever that may be. Taking a moment to ask yourself, how can I meet this need throughout the day? In what small ways can you honor this need? Sometimes what feels like tension in the body is actually an unmet need waiting to be acknowledged. Taking one more big breath here. And exhale, let it go. Whenever you're ready, you can slowly bring your awareness back to the space and carry this feeling throughout your day.